ribbons. These are 2 laces which I got, and if you like, what you can do is just use a single one of them, or even this one, or you can like just braid or map out this circle on this colored paper, craft paper, and draw a circle. For sticking, I am using this Fevicryl glue. What we do is that we'll cut this photo and make it stick on. So now what I'll do is that I'll add some pearls on its sides. I'll glue them, and then I'll staple these ends. Rakhi looks like. I've stapled it on the ends, and then what we do is that we measure the half. So this is what the final Rakhi looks like. You can recreate this and just share it with me using the hashtag #PickRakhi, and if you'd like, please subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share this video with your friends. And another thing which you can do is that you can attach the same centerpiece to one lace, and I will show it to you how it's done. So this is what the final Rakhi looks like. This is the second one which I made. You can just simply pin it up on the first lace which I've used in the previous Rakhi, and these two are very simple, and making them would not even take you 5 minutes. So please just try making them, and this is easily customizable. You can make this for your brother, you can make this for your sister as well. And very happy Raksha Bandhan to every one of you. And if you'd like to recreate this, please do not forget to share the pictures with me, and I shall come back with a very nice video for you guys really soon. Take care, bye.